Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's
Hi my hairstyles lovers,
left.
how are you? Today I'll show you how to make this easy, elegant braided bun using a scarf or any fabric that you have at home. So begin by selecting our top section behind our ears like I'm showing. You want to smooth it out using a comb and make with it a ponytail. Then you want to make an opening through created ponytail and bring it through the opening. Then you want to loosen a little bit our ponytail. We want to grab our scarf and tie it over created ponytail, hiding the elastic. Now we want to divide all our hair into 3 equal sections and incorporate our scarf as well. And we want to begin a simple 3-strand braid. Then when we are reaching the end, we want to tie our scarf like I'm showing here, creating kind of bow, and then grabbing a clear elastic, you want to tie the ends, but on last time make sure to pull the ends only halfway through. Then you want to bring this loop through created opening of the ponytail that we did before, and then we want to pin it in place at the base of the elastic, crisscrossing our bobby pin so it will stay in place. Then you want to tug on the edge of the created bun, loosen a little bit our crown, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this elegant braided updo using a scarf. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!